Hi, welcome back to Wallflowers. So today's video is a little bit different. As most of you know, I'm actually in the middle of decluttering or rearranging different things in the house to make it a bit more organised and accessible. And I watched a couple of decor videos yesterday. One of the comments the lady made was shop for furniture in your own home. So basically she meant look in different rooms and see if you've got any pieces of furniture that you may think would be better based in a different room. And I automatically thought of this piece. It's a really big old Welsh dresser. It still needs some addressing to it. At one point I repainted it white and tried to scrape off as much of the white from this surface top and the three drawers, and I wanted to go for the wood and the white look, and it never ever got completed. And I thought to myself today, I wonder if that would fit in the kitchen, because it had actually addressed some issues I have in the kitchen of extra utensils, storage areas, etc. With there being 3 decent sized cupboards, 6 drawers and the shelves, I think it'd be much better placed in the kitchen. So I asked Mr. Wallflowers, and seeing as we have Oscar at home as well, I wouldn't have to do any lifting, which I'm not capable of at the moment. So yeah, they've agreed to do it. So I'm going to take this piece, take everything off it, place a sheet on the floor so we can glide it across the laminate flooring, and have the guys move it. I don't think they'll be able to lift it because it's a very heavy piece, but they both seem pretty confident that they can lift it, so we'll see. I'll record it and show you how it's done. I'll go into the kitchen and show you the area where I'm going to place this piece. So if I'm coming from this side of the door and across this wall where the fridge stands and the island stands at the moment, the Welsh dresser will fit into this area. Then the fridge and the island will be moved across to this side. I'm going to see if I can actually reuse this piece in the living room, in the lounge. And then I think this trolley might be suitable for bathroom use and for putting some toiletries on there, because all of these jars will then have a place on the dresser. So that's my plan. This is the before. I'll get everyone in, jump to action and see if we can get that in place. Obviously I've got to strip the cabinets and everything that is holding within them at the moment, and the unit in the lounge, and have them crossed over. So first protocol would be to empty this cabinet and have it completely moved out the way, empty the other cabinet, bring these across, empty the other cabinet and get that in place. So now the work begins. Okay, so the unit's completely been emptied and the dresser in the lounge has completely been emptied. So the kitchen surfaces are absolutely full of everything that was in the cabinets. So it's an absolute chaos mess, but we shall get organised. So the trolley is empty and that will be tried out in the bathroom. And now Oscar and Mr. Wallflowers are moving out the first journey. And of course there's a mess, and one spider has escaped from behind the cabinet. So this is going to be placed.
This is going towards the door.
The front door. That's going to be placed at the front door, so we've had to lift the hallway carpet.
You have to just lift it a little bit.
And now this is getting scooted out into the hallway. just out the way. And the trolley will be placed next to it. So if I can just give that a quick little brush before we move the fridge freezer across. Doesn't have to be perfect because I can pull out the fridge freezer a lot easier than I could that. I can just go to the hall. I can pull the fridge freezer and the other one out on the wheels to mop underneath. Okay. Now, do you just want to take the... It doesn't matter. Just watch though, because it will be plugged in.
Don't grab those, the black metal and the black bit, but
Mr. Wallflower's just disconnecting the plug from the wall. And slowly moving it across. Now plug straight back in.
leave a bit of a gap.
Yep. Okay. Now this one please, Oscar.
What?
Right, put it on the angle so the drawers face this way. See how that fits a little bit better. So, excuse me. So I can have a play with that and see which way round I prefer it. But at the moment that's... What would that side?
Just pull that out then to get into the freezer.
Okay. Okay, we'll play with that. Okay. And now we'll just address the other one. And now to look at moving this big unit. So it'll come separate in two parts. Okay, you ready, Oscar?
Yeah. Let's go through all that.
The map. Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah. It's absolutely solid wood, so it's really heavy. Thank you. Look at the state left behind this one. That's been there for quite a few years. And there's leaves and cobwebs and all kinds behind it. Right, I'll just clean up this mess on the floor before we bring the base in. There he goes. Thank you.
That was probably easier than the top one.
I'll give that a good clean down first, and then you can place the top on. Amazing. There's plenty of room there.
Mm.
And now we're ready for the top to go on.
Just lift it from underneath. There. What? Just get it underneath there. Just push up. Yep.
Yeah. Now we just bring the drawers in, and I can slowly swap the contents of the drawers over, and I can start decorating this. We need the other cabinet moved into the living room next. So everywhere's a bit junky and a bit messed up. It all needs cleaning. So far we have those over there. We have the dresser in the kitchen. And now we're about to put the other cabinet back in the lounge. So, time for taking the other one through.
Go on. Going in the hole or
Say that again.
is that where going in that hole or
Well, you're going to have to put the wood stuff back eventually, aren't you? So, let's see. Right. Just leave it there and see if I get used to it or not. See whether we like it there or not. And if we like it or we decide to move it or whatever we feel about it. But just leave it there for now and see what feel we get from it. Yeah. I'll sort out where we're going to put all the clutter for now. So
ready for the live stream?
I'm just addressing the Welsh dresser, and just trying to get some of my jars on there that were sat on the trolley. I thought I'd fit a lot more on than what I am doing, but I'm trying to do it the best I can at the moment. I will relabel them so they're all more clear. And in the meantime, I've still got all this tat to find a home for. So, from Oscar and Mr. Wallflowers,
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget the live stream quiz tonight. We're all playing tonight and I'm going to win.
Thanks for joining us. Take care and we'll see you soon.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
guys.
Bye.